How many of us care about the mess in the ocean? Well, a part of it's our fault, or let's say the most of it. In today's video, we're gonna look how the humankind managed to find a solution for this. So, how we clean this massive place where the Atlantis people are living? Well, just kidding. Google. Let's see. Top ways to clean the oceans. Let's go. Maybe 6 ways to clean the ocean? Let's see. What cleans the ocean naturally? How can we clean up the ocean? Oh, that's it. As we discussed earlier, scooping out the plastic out of the ocean using a massive net or other techniques and technologies is neither efficient or beneficial. Create incentives to eliminate plastic use. Let me show you how the world is actually trying to clean the oceans. Well, for that we made a mobile skimmer. The amazing machine can move like a normal boat through the waters and clean the garbage around it with a big fork. The big machine is custom made and now deployed internationally. The retractable arms collects the funnel plastic and other debris in front of the skimmer, where it's picked up by a conveyor belt that sends up the trash up to tracks into a large super sack. Once the super sack is full, we take the crane that's attached to the deck of the skimmer and move the sack out of the way. Then simply replace it with another one. Keep on cleaning. At over 22 feet long and boosting retractable arms that give the vessel a wingspan almost 13 feet. The machine is going to be the game changer for us. Just a few people are needed to run it. We'll be able to collect much more plastic in much less time. To get the safest environment out there, thanks to the 4Ocean team, we found a solution. The process seems pretty simple, but the innovation and the tech behind is a real success for the people living near to the coastal areas and also for the 4Ocean team. Next up in line is a Harry Potter magic wand cleaner. Now, just kidding. We have another amazing invention. This one is also a skimmer, but not any kind. The harbor skimmer is designed to find plastic pollution debris in the harbor. The 4Ocean harbor skimmer can hold up to 1,200 pounds of marine debris. It uses two 150 gallons per minute pumps to create a slow suction effect on the surface of the water. They run around the clock as the debris, including the plastic pollution, floats into the vicinity of the skimmer. The junk is gently sucked into the machine and held in a collection bin until the bin can be emptied. One push of the button brings the collection basket to the dock level, where the treasure can be unloaded by a maintenance crew member. Once the prototype was tested and proven to be effectively, the machine was made available for purchase to the third-party organizations wishing to help us in our mission to end the ocean plastic crisis. The harbor skimmer shouldn't be confused with the mobile skimmer, which is also working in places including Central America. The mobile skimmer is a fuel-efficient vessel with articulating arms on the front that guide the marine debris into a conveyor belt leads up to a super sack with the capacity holding up to 220 pounds of debris. Have you ever think about a bin in the ocean? Well yeah, I didn't too, but guess what? There is a Seabin, and the way it's working, this simple but amazing idea can filter 25 liters per hour, and the way it's working, well, the water goes to the top and then comes out from the bottom. Simple, right? The bag is made of plastic material to catch plastic. Sounds ironical, right? As iconic it sounds, this one can catch small ones like 2 millimeters who are not even visible to the naked eye. They are developing another tech who can catch more microfibers of plastic which are even smaller. Already they have ordered by 70 countries. The cost of the Seabin is around 3,300 euros and the cost of running it's $1 per day. By 2027 they plan to go offshores. I'm gonna let here an image about how much Seabin can help the local water to get cleaner. So for example, 20 liter containers will not fit in the Seabin, but they are kept on the side because of the inflow water. 5-liter containers fit inside the Seabin catchback. 90,000 shopping bags is what this Seabin can catch per year. 11,900 plastic bottles is what the Seabin can catch per year. 15,600mm water bottles is what the Seabin can catch per year. So let's watch the graphic now. The global plastic production increased from 0 tons to above 400 million tons by the year of 2019 and still keeps increasing. I'm excited that the Seabin is playing an active role in solution, education, awareness and prevention initiatives because this creative and work generation that is adding purpose to the purchase and making better life decisions based on the environmental impact and the human rights. This all leads to prosperity in all senses of the word. One of the major role player, and I think it's the biggest one, is the ocean cleanup team. Remember the mobile skimmer? Yeah, they did that too. But this one might be one that everyone knows about. They also created some large-scale situations, and here is a system named System 001, and it's the big player. Launched in September 2018, the System 001 was the world's first cleanup system to be trialed in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. During its 4-month campaign, the System 001 validated many aspects of our ocean cleanup technology. After 273 scale models tests, 6 at-sea prototypes and comprehensive mapping of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, they started assembling their first system. Following a 6-month build in the Alameda, California on September 8, 2018, the launch of Wilson marked a significant step for the ocean cleanup in their mission to get rid of the plastic from the ocean, to communicate its position all the times, allowing a support vessel to retrieve the plastic and is collected every few months. Okay, the next one is another small project in India. This one can clean a lot of toxic materials in the water by helping the government to protect the river from the heavy pollution. The agency started out to clean the sacred river of India named the Holy Ganga, where they deployed their own skimmer. The cleaning extended with other machines developed like the Amphibious Excavator to clean the slit from large bodies of water. The next one is the most touristic one. Let's say because, well, just look. The Mr. Trash Wheel, or just the trash wheel, is designed to collect garbage and trash from the waters, and it's just powered by the river current. It's just like having its own life. Also using solar panels to power up. It uses a conveyor belt and dumps the trash into a dumpster in the back of the conveyor. It's a really Instagrammable machine, with a lot of photos from tourists and people walking by. Even the site and management uses this kind of photos to promote the positive impact of the machine. They also made toys to show how much the machine is appreciated. Next up we have big green monster, it's called the Watermaster. The main task of this enormous machine is to restore the shallow waterways and shore, to prevent the floods and clean the environment, to be utilized in construction projects near the river to maintain and clean industrial mining ponds. Its innovative structure let be perfect to get a good grip on the surface around it. It has 2 mechanical arms on the side that grips themselves at the bottom of the river bed and 2 pillars in the back for stability. Multi-purpose Watermaster cleans and maintains the waterways. By dredging, it removes trash and invasive aquatic vegetation. Watermaster is a self-propelled, fully amphibious vessel. It can reach and operate in difficult sites that are hard or impossible for the conventional machinery to handle. With the Watermaster you need a fewer machines for work. This saves the environment, money and time. The first Watermaster was launched in 1986 and they have systematically developed the excellent concept ever since. I quote, "We are proud to say that nowadays Watermasters help keep the rivers, lakes, canals and other shallow water bodies in a good condition. In over 70 countries worldwide. End quote. To end up with a bang, also the gaming industry, which is growing year by year, made an amazing investment to a cleaner world. Here we have a big player join the project named Cleanbot and bring it to the next level. Yes, here we talk about Razer. Cleanbot was developed by a small team of Indians who made this startup to help in the need of cleaning the ocean. The clear advantage of the Cleanbot is the tech itself. It's made to run autonomously with an AI. He can recognize and categorize the type of trash that is collecting and also provide real-time data month by month to see how it performs. Razer team of engineers made the decision to have this project in their free time, when no other Razer project needed their time. With this initiative, they pushed out the first version of Cleanbot, powered by Razer. It can be used to clean the rivers or the ponds. Each robot can collect up to 250 kilograms on a single mission and up to 1 ton per day. The team is very proud of the realization, so we might see this project in our nearby communities. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you if you stay so far and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Keep the water clear because you might not see it now, but it matters for our safety and health. See you next one. Bye.